Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to share WhatsApp sticker pack with other people. Now if you already have your WhatsApp sticker created, click on the sticker icon. Just note that this is my WhatsApp sticker pack, and all of this sticker I can click on it to react with anyone that I want. So if I decide to share this sticker pack with my friends, I can actually do that. Now to do this, to share it to this other phone or this any other WhatsApp, all you need to do is to click this area. Look at my mouse, click this area bottom left, click on that, and then you go over to where it says my stickers. You click on that, you are going to see all of your stickers. So whichever sticker you want to share with the person, you click on that sticker and it's going to open fully. So this is all the stickers I have on this sticker pack. So to share this with anybody, I will click on this area to send it to somebody. Now I can choose any contact that I want to send it to. But I think I'm actually okay with this, so I'm going to click on this and then send. So you notice it says view sticker pack, so I can click on view and then see everything inside that sticker pack. So it comes right to this other device, but it doesn't come immediately. So even though I want to delete this, I can always delete it. If I do not want to accept it, I can just ignore. Now I have received it on the other WhatsApp. So once I click on view sticker, you notice it's going to display everything. It's still loading. I have quite a slow internet, so it is downloading. Both with the name of the sticker and everything is displaying. So when you want to add the sticker, all you need to do is to click on add to my sticker. Now you can notice it has been added. This is it right here if you click on this area. And also when you click on the bottom right, bottom left, you can go over to my stickers and you are going to see that particular sticker display. And you can still forward this to anybody on your contact by clicking on this forward icon and sending it out to anybody that you want. So guys, this is actually how to share your sticker with anybody, and I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to smash like, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.